It's easy to do, and it's also very fun. So for this experiment, you'll need some pennies, water, and I have 3 kinds of water: for salty water, soapy water, normal water, but you don't have to have all of them. A pipette or an eyedropper. So this is the normal water. So I'm gonna count the number of drops I can get on each penny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 drops. Do you see that dome forming? It's not sliding out, but there's a dome. We're gonna add one more. See if that's gonna work. Well, at least we probably got 20 there. Since we already tried with the normal water, now we're gonna try with the soapy water. Okay, we're gonna take some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, yeah. Okay, we got 13 for the soapy one. Now I'm gonna empty that, and now we're gonna try the salty water. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 20. We got 21 for the salty water. Do you know why? Like the dome formed on the pennies? It's because of 2 properties: cohesion and surface tension. Cohesion is a force that attracts molecules together, and surface tension makes molecules shrink so they fit into the tiniest space possible. Water has one of the highest surface tensions, falling second only to mercury, which is very dangerous, so you shouldn't use it, like just in case you're thinking about that. Water surface tension is really high because of hydrogen bonding. So when we add soap to the water, dish soap to the water, soap decreases the water's surface tension, so it doesn't take as many drops for the dome to form on the pennies and the water to spill. But salt increases the water surface tension, so it takes more drops for the dome to form and the water to spill. You don't have to use water to make the domes on the pennies. You can also use other liquids such as milk, orange juice, fruit juice, etc. So there are like endless possibilities. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and bye, friends.